Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix flex button not working on ladder. So if the flex button or that specific button isn't working in the ladder app, something like not responding, not opening options, or doing nothing, it's usually a UI glitch, sync issue, or a limitation depending on your program. So actually guys, first you all need to tap precisely. So the UI sensitivity issue. Okay, so you'll need to make sure that you're tapping directly on the flex button or icon and avoid tapping too quickly or while scrolling. So sometimes the touch area is small or slightly offset. And also guys, I do really advise you to first close and reopen the app. So just go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your phone, then just close ladder. How so? You only swipe it up and then wait 10 to 15 seconds and reopen it and try again. So that fixes temporary UI bugs. Also guys, I really advise you to check your internet connection because the flex features often need to load options. So just go ahead, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen or your phone's screen and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data right here and avoid the weak connections. Even you can go ahead and turn on the airplane mode, the option that you can find at the top or you can see at the top of my phone, and then turn it off. Okay, and as I told you, don't forget to avoid the weak connection, so you will need a stable one. And also guys, I do really advise you to restart your phone or your iPhone because that clears touch and interface glitches that can stop buttons from responding. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.